Watch this button turn into water in just a few lines of code. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to create this amazing waterway button animation using only HTML and CSS. No JavaScript, just pure CSS magic. Make sure you watch till the end because the final result looks super satisfying. Let's start coding. We add the title of the page, which is water button. Now we move to the CSS styling section. We start by styling the body. We remove the default margin and set the height to full screen using 100 VH. Then we use Flexbox to center the button perfectly in the middle. We set the background color to a dark blue shade. And we choose Arial as the font family. Now we style the button itself. We set the position to relative so we can control pseudo-elements inside it. We add padding to make the button bigger and comfortable. Then we increase the font size for better visibility. We set the text color to white. Next, we add a glowing border using a cyan color. We keep the background transparent to show the animation clearly. We change the cursor to pointer so it feels clickable. We hide overflows so the water effect stays inside the button. And we round the corners using border radius. Transition adds smooth animation timing. And box shadow creates a soft glow around the button. Now we create the hover effect. When we hover, the glow becomes stronger using multiple shadows. This gives a neon light effect. We also change the text color to black for contrast. Now we create the water layer using the before pseudo-element. We add empty content. Set position to absolute so it moves freely. Width and height are set to 200% to cover the button. We use a linear gradient from cyan to blue. This creates a realistic watercolor. We position it below the button using top 100% and adjust left position for better alignment. The border radius creates a wave shape. Transition makes the movement smooth. Now on hover, we move this layer upward. Top becomes -30%. This creates the water filling effect. Next, we add another layer using the after pseudo-element. This creates a wave motion on top of the water. Again, we use absolute positioning. Now we are creating the final wave effect using the after pseudo-element. First, we set the width to 220%. This makes the wave layer bigger than the button. Next, we set the height to 220%. Now we add a background color using RGBA. This is a white color with low opacity. It creates a soft highlight effect on the water. Top is set to 100%. This places the wave below the button. Left is set to -60%. This shifts the wave to align it properly. Border radius is set to 45%. This gives the wave a smooth, rounded shape. Now we add animation. We use the wave animation with a duration of 4 seconds. Linear means constant speed. Infinite means it keeps looping forever. Now we define what happens on hover. When the button is hovered, the wave moves upward. Top becomes -40%. This makes the wave rise along with the water. Now we style the text inside the button. We set position to relative. This allows us to control its layer. We use the index too. This ensures the text stays above the water animation. Now we define the keyframes animation. At 0%, the wave starts at 0 rotation. At 100%, it rotates to 360 degrees. This creates a continuous spinning wave effect. And this completes our realistic water animation. And that's how we create a water button using pure CSS. Follow for more cool coding animations like this. And this is all done with just CSS, no JavaScript. Want more effects like this? Hit follow and don't miss the next one. Simple code, but a powerful effect. Here we have a final result.